It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are showing you the all new, redesigned Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This specific 270 SDX has the beautiful dune interior with the brown sea decking. Large sun pad on the back, which is nice. You gain that with the outboard. We also have the plumbing package on this boat, so that means you have freshwater wash down in the back. You also have a Fusion puck in the back, as well as a USB and a USB-C charger. Moving into the cockpit area, we have the large L-shaped seating with the wireless chargers in the back between the seat and the gunnel on both sides. We have a modular captain's seat design. It folds forward, folds back, so it depends if you're at the dock or if you're at anchor. The captain wants to join the party, bring this all the way back, or if he wants a leaning post to stand up while he's driving, you can also lean. Same thing with the passenger side. It flips back and forth depending on how you want to position yourself. The Sea Ray 270 SDX has changed from a manual water sports tower to a power tower. Moving up to the helm, we have two beautiful Simrad NSX units. We have all of your toggle switches. You have your trim tabs. You have your electronic throttle with active trim, so no more trimming up and down on the engine. It will do everything for you. Moving forward, we have the redesigned head. It also has a filler cushion in there, so you can actually use that to lay down and get out of the sun if you need to. It's also good for the kids. We have the Fusion stereo head unit. We have a lockable glove box, so in case you shoot out to Greenport or Block and you want to spend the night or go out to the restaurant, you can lock your valuables inside. Let's move up to the bow on the 270 SDX. The bow is a lot more spacious than it used to be. You have an offset walkthrough that allows you to have a lot more seating space in here. This boat also comes with a bow table and a cockpit table that is not currently set up. But again, a lot of padding going all the way up to the gunnels. You have sea deck up forward here. Come check this out. If you do go up toward the beach, put that bow up and you have the beach boarding ladder. You have the electric windlass, the remote. And you also, a part of the plumbing package, have a freshwater wash down on the bow as well. But this is really nice to have this all nice and sea decked, is because with the beach boarding ladder, kids can come up here, jump off the sea deck on the bow, and they won't slip and hurt themselves. Thank you for joining me today in viewing the all-new redesigned Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard, and please reach out if you have any questions.